Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Erica here in the Little Blue House Farm in Mexico. There's Saori, there's Cassie, and there's Jose. We're gonna go to the Tianguis and later on we're gonna go check on the chickens. We'll cook something, we'll bring you guys along. There's la carnicería. Papaya. Limones, ocupamos limón. ¿A cuánto está el limón? 20 pesos. Y tomatillo para hacer salsa también, amor. Haciendo filete. Mira, aquí venden chickens ahora. No, mira, ahí venden chicken, mira.
Mom.
Oh, okay.
That chicken is wow.
Una probita de sandía. Mira.
¿Me agarras?
Gracias. De nada.
Llévala. Tiene lovebirds. Cardinals.
Two birds red.
They're called cardinal.
Cardinal?
I don't know what they're called in Spanish. It's called cardinal. Lovebirds? ¿Cardenales se llama?
Ay,
Cardenal.
Mommy, those green
no tienes
birds
nada que hacer.
are yours.
Yeah, they're like mine, right?
Yeah.
Tostada.
Daddy, you want some watermelon? No.
Churros. Quiero que tenga durazno, amor. Stitch, take your dress.
Stitch, let me stray.
Mira, amor, aquí tienen durazno. Ciruela, garbanzo voy a llevar ahorita. Ciruela. Mango.
Ahí tengo mango de 20 el kilo.
Otra vez. ¿Cuánto es ese?
¿Cuánto está el limón? That's why you come through the Tianguis to ask prices to see where it's cheaper. Dale la mano, amor. What happened to your mango tree that you planted? ¿Nada? Mira, ahí tienen bolsitas de 20 pesos de limón.
Váyale que va a llevar.
Ay, que voy a llevar de aquí. Ahora qué vamos a comprar. Cuidado.
Whose hair is that?
It's not hair, it's string.
Why is there string right there, Mom?
No sé, mami. Somebody dropped it.
Mommy, there's more strings.
Yeah. You like those moños?
Look at those crowns.
Son diademas, mami. honey, mira. Oh, ahí tiene. ¿Cuánto está el tomatillo?
30 pesos.
Me da una bolsita, por favor. ¿Y el limón?
35.
De la carrila. Chamoy. Ahorita yo creo que todo tengo. Me consigue, ve poquito la otra vez. Yo tengo que sí tengo ahí poquito. Vente mamá, no toques.
De aquí son 28.
Voy a llevar aquí los limones. Están a 10.
Y 14 de aquí.
Hold on, man. ¿Manda? Ayer los llevé a Green. Mira, look at those mangoes.
Mommy, pineapple.
Yeah, I see it. Vente.
Pineapple.
Mira la barra, ma.
Claro, como no.
¿Qué más?
Pues, ¿qué más necesita más bien? Ya está aquí, llegó.
Es que está bien.
So hot. So hot. And this water is delicious. Limón con pepino and chia. Cucumber, chia, and lime. Leave him alone, leave him alone. He's not hurting you.
Can I touch it?
He'll bite you, maybe. Is he still alive? Oh, yeah, he is. Let's see if I can get him out.
Let me try to get him out.
Slowly move. Get on the stick. Mom, where do I put him at?
Out here. Or just on the fence. On the thing right there. Right there. Right there. Right here, Cass. He'll go wherever he's got to go.
I'm scared.
He's going to die. Just leave him. No, mommy. Just leave him, Cass. He's got to catch his breath. He was inside of a lot of water. Let's go get the huevitos, mommy. We're here with the chickens. Jose's getting water. He had a little bit of leash to it.
Dude, I'm just gonna get that thing.
He's recording too. Saudi got her princess shoes on over here running around. This Miss Ma'am is doing a good job still laying. Hi, Miss Ma'am. We got one huevito. This one needs water too, amor. Hey, Miss Ma'ams. I didn't bring no snacks today. I'll bring you guys some tomorrow. Just give them this little piece of tree. Here, hold on. Go back in, ladies. Go. Go, Miss Ma'ams, go. Let us in. Go, go, go. Come on. tree I gave you? I didn't want it. I don't have anything for you today, Miss Niams.
Look at what I got you.
Looks like there's only 5, 6 altogether. They ran out of water in this container. That one has a little bit, and that one has
What
half.
happened to the fairy egg?
You ate it yesterday.
Oh, why is there no more? Oh, this is a little one.
That one's speckled.
Why is it speckled? Mommy, but this is still a little one.
It's the little.
Look, I can cover it.
Oh yeah, you can cover it with your hands, huh? I'll give you guys some fresh water. Hold on.
Mommy, what about this one? What about this one, Mom?
Wow.
I don't have it covered. Yeah.
Be careful when you put it in the cup. Just be careful.
No, look. I can cover it again. Look. Mommy, this is a big one. Mommy, this is a big one. Look. Look, this is a big one. Mom, look, this is a big one.
Oh yeah, it's a bigger one.
Look. Show them.
Wow.
No, this is a big one too.
Oh, acá está. I was like, where did it go? I looked over there and it wasn't over there. Es que les tropajo. Where's the one that we bought?
Look at the nice man.
She's drinking the water?
Yes. Nice empty water.
She gonna eat the flies from the wall. She said that's fresh water. That's why she's drinking it, Mommy.
No, me estoy tirando mi competencia.
Hey, ladies, where y'all going? Yeah, I see her. She escaped.
Like, what is this? I'm bleeding.
Pícale.
So here we go. We're taking those pills for the warming.
Explain it on this one because you did it on your video.
they recommend to deworm yourself every 6 months? This is the first time we're doing it. Everybody's doing it. Even the dog's gonna get dewormed. For any whatever parasites you may have. If you don't have any, then that's fine. But if you have some, it will later on you will have problems with your health. So might as well just do it. So, it's only 2 pills, one time every 6 months. It was like what, 45 pesos?
45 pesos.
And I'm sweating already. Because of the coffee. I am sweating. But yeah, let's see what happens. It takes 24 hours mostly. So most likely tomorrow we'll find out what's going on with us. But hey, just to keep our family and everybody healthy.
We're on our way to take Teddy to the vet again for his next antibiotic dose. Another shot. I think he's got 1 or 2 more. It's gonna be expensive by the end, but it's worth it because we got our puppy. All right, friends, so we're gonna be making some arroz for lunch with some bistecs con papa. So I'll bring you guys along for that. For the arroz, I'm gonna cut some onion and garlic. And I don't have butter, so I'm gonna go ahead and use olive oil for it.
Onion?
I cut onion. And then for the bistec con papas, I'm just gonna cut some tomato, onion, the bistec, and some potatoes. I think 3 potatoes, half a kilo of meat or around there. And then I'm gonna add maybe 1 serrano since I'm gonna make it for the girls to eat as well. So right now I'm gonna make the rice first. I hardly don't have any garlic left. Excuse the mess over here. I just went and bought vegetables or fruits and vegetables yesterday. So I do have, this is filled with veggies and fruits. I already got the stuff ready. For the soup, for the rice, I do add chicken bouillon to it and a little bit of salt as well. So I already pulled that out. I'm feeling much better today. Not 100% yet, but much better. Little ants. Huh? Saudi is in the patio playing with the dogs. Back to cooking again. Just small little pieces. Oops. Watch my plums. Take this one out. It's a little ugly. We're gonna start the rice first so it can be done with the meat. Since it does take a little bit longer. Not really, but we'll start with the rice. gonna go ahead and add a little bit of olive oil. Like I said, I don't have butter. If not, I would add butter to it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add the oil, just a little bit. And first I'm gonna add the onion in here. Brown it a little bit and then I'll add the garlic. I did put this dish rack that my husband built here. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but for right now it works here. I'm the one that's been washing dishes, so I wash them and then I just go ahead and put them away. Okay, the onion's about cooked. I'm gonna go ahead and add the garlic now. Brown that a little bit and then I'll add the rice. And I'm still thinking if I'm gonna add vegetables, probably. Hopefully Saudi will eat a little bit more since I don't have no chicken broth right now. And I don't know if she'll eat the meat or not. Brown it up a little bit. Because the garlic burns fast. Then I do have 1 cup of rice. I'm not gonna make that much because it's only 3 of us and the baby. I'm gonna add the water and cover it up. I forgot I'm also gonna add a little bit of chicken bouillon and some salt as well. It's about a tablespoon of chicken bouillon, but that's to taste. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut at least half of a potato and carrot and put it in there after all.
Can you wash it?
Gotta wash it? Yeah, I'll wash it for you. See, the garlic burns a little, that's why you gotta be very careful with that. The onion too, but it's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and just peel this small carrot. And half of a potato. So I'm not gonna put much, just a little bit. And the rice, so it can cook in there. You can also add the vegetables that are pre-cooked in there as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and add these. I haven't cooked in a while, so I gotta get used to it again. And I'm not feeling 100% better either, but we're still gonna cook. We still have to eat, whether we're feeling better or not. Half of the potato or the other food. Whoops. I'm just gonna go ahead and add the carrot and the potato and put the lid on it, let it cook. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the meat. I'm gonna go ahead and just chop up the bistec. Not much, but a little bit. More like a bite size. And I did buy 1 kilo, but I'm just gonna go ahead and use half of it. I'm gonna go ahead and add some oil. You playing with Jack? And I'm gonna go ahead and add the meat. Now that the meat is cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of salt on here. I ended up putting 2.5 potatoes, 1.5 tomato, and then half of an onion. That's what I'm gonna go ahead and add right now. As soon as it's cooked, before it starts frying, I'm gonna go ahead and add the potatoes to it. Then once it cooks a little bit, I'll go ahead and add the tomato and the onion and let it finish cooking. And then I will add the 2 serrano peppers. As you guys can see, it's almost cooked. Before it starts browning, I will go ahead and add the potato to it. The rice is almost dry, but not quite. And next, potatoes. And once I start putting them in here, they might be too many. So I'll see, and then I'll just remove them. So we will see. Just won't add everything. I think it'll be fine. So it's gonna be bistec con papa. Kind of like a la mexicana, but it's gonna have potatoes in it. I'll try to leave the potato down so it can start cooking and frying as well. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the lid on it, and then I'll turn in a little while. I hear it's starting to fry, so I'm gonna go ahead and just move them a little bit. I don't know how the papas are gonna do in here, because they did have water from the meat. Cover it back up. The rice is almost dry, but not yet. Okay, the potatoes are starting to brown. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and add the onion. It's starting to stick a little bit, but this will get unstuck with the tomato as well. So it's okay. Go ahead and just add the onion. And cover it back up for a few more minutes. The sopa looks done, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off and let it just continue cooking with the lid on. Okay, now everything seems like it's looking pretty good. You guys can see the potatoes are browning, the meat's browning, the onion looks like it's cooked also. A little stuck at the bottom, but it's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and add the tomato. And mix it. And I'm gonna go ahead and close it up again and let it cook. Then I'll add the 2 serranos, and I just cut those in half so it's not super spicy for the girls. Okay, I went ahead and served the girls their plates. I'm just gonna go ahead and add the chiles in here. And they'll cook for another few minutes and it should be done. There's your plate. I'm gonna make some salsa because Jose is missing the salsa. I'm gonna go ahead and make some. Oh, wrong one. Because he's telling me that's what he wanted was salsa. I just put foil because I don't really like my tomatoes cooked. I like them browned a little bit. So I do put the foil down. I know some people don't like using foil too much, but I use it for my tomatillos. I was already gonna start warming up the tortillas because the food's almost done, but he did tell me that he wants some salsa, so I'm gonna go ahead and make them salsa. So I do have to take the peels off of here. Sorry you guys can't really see my face, but I don't want the camera to be too far away from what I'm doing so you guys can see. I've been washing my dishes as I'm going to, that way I don't have a lot later on. And I don't wash them with soap. I know some people do, but I don't. I just rinse them out really well. I wish these were mine for my own plants, but they're not. But we'll make it do. Oh, I think I rinsed that. I didn't buy many either. Just about a few. Just like I said before, here in Mexico, we don't buy too much at once. We try to buy it as needed. That way it doesn't go bad on us. And I know some people don't understand that, but it's different than in the States where you want to fill your fridge up all the time. Here, usually people don't work as many hours as they do in the States. Most of the people only work 8 hours. So it's easier for people to go and buy more stuff. And there's always little stores, as you guys seen, everywhere. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and set them on the aluminum foil. I might only need one side because there's not that many tomatoes, or tomatillos, I should say. And I just put the tomatillos, let them start browning. And I think I've done this salsa before. I know there's been a few people asking me how I make it. This is how I prefer to make it. It's by browning my tomatillos instead of cooking them in water. But that's up to you. You can also cook them in water if you prefer to do that. Like I said, I like them better like this, browned. You see right away they start browning up too. So let me turn off the back because I don't think I'm gonna use the back. All right, just move this forward a little bit. And they do finish cooking because once they are brown, what I would do is I'll just close all the sides and let it cook for a few minutes. And that way they're all completely cooked. Maybe they're not raw, because if not, the chile just like kind of breaks weird and they're raw tomatoes. So I just let them brown and we'll be back. And I go ahead and turn them. Let's see if it's on high. Oh, maybe it would help if I turned the right one on. Or off, I should say. No wonder. I was like, why is it not doing more? Just gonna go ahead and flip them back. I had the wrong side on. Whoops. I guess we'll have to wait a little bit longer. And for you guys that know me, you know I like garlic a lot, so I'm gonna go ahead and add 5 garlics. They're not that big, but I am also gonna brown them. So I'm gonna put them here at the end so they don't burn on me. But I will also brown those. And I have to look for the chiles now. These are the chiles that I have, so I don't have too many left anymore that are already browned, and I don't want to go ahead and do them here. So I'm going to put whatever I can in the blender, start blending these with, not the seeds, just the actual chiles with some salt. And then once the tomatoes are done, then I'll just go ahead and add them in there. Or tomatillos, I'm sorry. The difference now that I have the right one on, I had the back on instead of the front.
Huh?
I had the back of the stove on instead of the front. Let me check the food one last time. Yeah. Okay, the food is completely done, so I'm gonna turn it off. What happened to you? I think the secret to the salsa that we make is because we add the chiles and the salt and then we blend it together first before anything else. I'm hoping I didn't put too much salt in here because it looked like I did. We'll see. Now that they're browned a little bit more, I'm gonna go ahead and cover them up so they can be done. So I can, usually I like all the sides to be browned, but we're gonna eat because I'm gonna take my husband out for a walk. You don't like going for a walk, so we're taking you with. Go eat, mommy. I didn't show you guys how I covered it, but I just fold the sides in. Then I try to fold it as much as I can because it is gonna start losing the juice of the tomatillos, just so it doesn't spill all over my stove. And sometimes it still does, so we'll see. I'm gonna close it up and let them cook. I'm gonna go ahead and open them, see how they're looking. And see how they start changing color, so you know they're starting to cook. They're starting to lose some of the juice as well. Remember, I didn't put no water in here. So whatever juice they lose is just their sweetness. And I do use that broth for my salsa as well because it does give it a very sweet flavor. I'm gonna go ahead and close them again. Let them continue cooking. Ooh, it's hot. And I wasn't gonna make the salsa, but like I said, Jose just told me he wanted salsa. Here's the broth already starting to come out, or the juice of the tomatillos. Like I said, you guys can see they're almost cooked. A little bit longer. They're just about done though. They do change colors and they do lose a lot of the juice as well. I have enough huevitos for my tomatoes when I transplant them. So, ooh, about that. I did get me some mittens for my oven, but I'm gonna go ahead and use these for the foil because it's super hot.
Buy me one of those.
You need some of these?
Yeah.
For what?
But that's for you.
Oh, okay. Let me see. I don't even know how I'm gonna do this.
I
I don't know if I can work with 2 gloves, actually.
Put the tomatoes.
Oh, okay. Oh, hopefully all this broth doesn't spill everywhere. Hold on. Let me retake them back off. Maybe I'm better off just bringing them like this. Yep, better. Because the juice is starting to spill out. And I don't want it all over my stove. Woo, but this is hot. Wow, wow, wow. Got one more garlic in here. No water. Just whatever juice the tomatillos had. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend them. Look at the color in that salsa. We're out for a walk. It's dark already. It's a short walk. There's Moroleon down there.
No.
Yeah, there's still people walking over there. Over here. Look at the little mangoes in this tree. This tree is as big as me. Full of mangoes. Oh, I just wish I could have some mangoes. I really, 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 really do. There's one right here too. Look at all the mangoes it has.
Oh, wow.
There's a little neighborhood right here. Behind these trees. Look how beautiful it looks that way, amor. That way, Ira. Listen to the crickets. Listen. We're almost back home. But this side doesn't have no houses. Pistachio is a fruit.
Oh. Some type of
Well, friends, we hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share our channel if you can. God bless and see you guys soon. Bye, friends.